Daring to make a difference. Understanding. Stick your neck out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases to help you enhance your language skills. Today, we're exploring a very interesting expression, stick your neck out. This phrase is not only vivid in imagery but also rich in meaning. Let's unravel the layers behind it and discover how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, stick your neck out, can be quite visual when you think about it. Imagine a turtle extending its neck out of its shell. It's taking a risk, exposing itself to potential danger. Similarly, when someone sticks their neck out, they are taking a risk or putting themselves in a vulnerable position to help someone else or support a cause. It's about being brave and taking chances, even when there might be consequences for oneself. While the exact origins of stick your neck out might be difficult to pinpoint, it's believed to come from the idea of animals, like the aforementioned turtle, extending their necks to proceed with caution or to observe their surroundings. Over time, this imagery became a metaphor for human behavior, especially in contexts requiring courage and risk-taking. It beautifully captures the essence of vulnerability and bravery in stepping forward to make a difference or support others. To fully grasp the use of stick your neck out, let's look at some examples. Supporting a colleague. Jake really stuck his neck out for me when he vouched for my project proposal in front of the entire board. Standing up for beliefs. She wasn't afraid to stick her neck out and defend her views on environmental conservation, even though they were unpopular. These examples show that sticking your neck out can be applied in various contexts, from the workplace to personal beliefs, indicating a willingness to take risks for others or for one's convictions. Sticking your neck out is a vital part of human interaction and society. It fosters a culture of support, courage, and integrity. By taking risks for the benefit of others or standing up for what we believe in, we contribute to a more just and empathetic world. Moreover, it encourages others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of positive change. We hope this discussion on stick your neck out has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily life. Remember, while it's important to be cautious, there are moments when taking a risk can lead to significant positive changes, not just for you but for those around you. Don't be afraid to extend your neck if it means making a difference. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing phrases with you in our next video. Keep learning and keep taking those brave steps forward.